name is Kevin Garvin, and I am a Senior Development and Integration Engineer at Intel Corporation. I was fortunate enough to be able to attend Saskia Christian's team's BoostThru's Resilience Workshop on the 6th of January, 2024. What an amazing experience, an event this was for me. Being a senior engineer in technology for quite some time now, I kind of went in with the attitude, well, maybe I can't learn anything here about resiliencies, but the concepts of resilience that she and her team taught in this session really helped me, and I would venture to say, everyone in attendance learned more about navigating both professionally and personally the challenges that we all face with greater strength and a renewed sense of positive thinking, and that she really teaches you how to overcome some of these challenges and having that resilient mindset. So it was an amazing experience. I know Saskia personally, and I know she's been through some tremendous life challenges, but she's came out of the fire without smelling like smoke, because she's really deployed these same methods in her own life to significantly transform her life and everyone around her. So if you're looking for a coaching opportunity to learn more about yourself and how to be strong and to overcome adversity, I would highly recommend BoostThru's Resilience Workshop or any other workshop that they do. So I'm sure you're going to get a lot out of it, as I did. Just coming with an open mind. And these are very brilliant people, and they really teach you some very strong strategies that can help you be successful in life. So thank you, BoostThru, for your time. Thank you for having me at your symposium. I really enjoyed it and really.
Hi, this is Dr. Susie Mearswick. I just want to take a minute to thank Saskia Christian for her wonderful BoostThru workshop on resilience last weekend. I'm a resilience survivor, and I've written in my book, Sow in Tears, Reap in Joy, and I know you all attending Saskia's workshop will gain a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.